Class 7. Welcome back to the Model Science class. Today we'll begin with this chapter 5. True Greatness. Listen, we'll begin with the quotation. Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. Gratitude is a main quality. This is a story of an angry king and an humble old man. So let's begin with the story. Okay. First paragraph, pay attention, page number 29. There was once a king who was very proud and arrogant. Arrogant means very stubborn type. One day he asked his advisor, is there anyone who is happier, kinder, and greater than me? To the king's surprise, the advisor said, oh yes, your majesty. Majesty means when we are giving respect to someone like this, Lord, Majesty, Your Highness, Sunshine, like this we are addressing. This is an old English, Majesty. Shakespearean time we are using this English. So please mark it. You learn this a new word of Majesty. There are. The king couldn't believe with him, so he said, I want to see such people with my own eyes. This up to first paragraph. Now, second paragraph. The next day, they dressed up as commoners. Commoners means public people. And the advisor took the king to see a man who lived at the far end of the kingdom in a small hut. He was an old man who wore tattered means very dirty and very torn up clothes, and didn't have many possessions. Possessions mean not so big in a big place. Upon seeing his condition, the king laughed and said, how can a man so poor be happier and more generous? Generous means very humble than me. The advisor only told him to be patient. Patient means keep patience, tolerance, and observe. Observe means watch. The old man greeted. Greeted means them. Greeted means greeting, welcoming, and humbly invited, very politely invited them into his heart. He quickly went inside to find something to feed his guests. On coming out, he said, God is so kind. He must have known you were coming. We have so much food today. Let us meditate. Meditate means pray in gratitude for what? To God. Now turn the page, page number 30. We have been, open your own book, children, it will be helpful for you. We have been given, so they sat calmly. Calmly means very quietly for a while. For a while means for a second. And thanked God. Then the old man said, open your eyes and enjoy the meal. They opened their eyes to see that there was only half a banana and a small piece of chapati served before them. The king got angry. He was used to eating the finest to all foods served on gold plates. The advisor again calmed him down. Shh, don't blow your over covered yet. Just eat the food. The king could hardly believe what he hardly means. He did not even want to believe actually, because he was maintaining himself very relishly. He took a bite of the banana and chewed. He kept chewing for several minutes but could not finish that one bite in a long time. He finally swallowed it, but he was so full. He couldn't even think what of eating that little piece of chapati left on the plate. The king started to realize that something miracle has happened. So miracle was happening at their host. Was not just a poor old man as he thought him to be. He was not just he was a representation of God. He felt humbled. He protested. Protested means opposed. himself at old man's feet and said, "Forgive me." This is very important part. "Great one, I am going nothing compared to you. I want to learn from you. I cannot be a king any more. You are a much greater man than I am." "Who am I anyway?" The compassionate old man helped him up and explained to him, "You are the king, and that is what you must be. I am a messenger of God, and that is what I must be. There is something that each of us can do, though." "What is it?" Very important part, asked the king. "We can all be kind to everyone we meet. We can compassionate to all people and see everyone as a part of the most loving God." The king thanked the old man several times and went back to his palace as a much wiser and better man. He learned that being grateful for what we have and seeing God in everything is what marks true. Very important part. You read this chapter very less. Now a nice moral. Be grateful and humble. This much you will in riches or poverty. This much you will learn up to this. Now come to the word meaning from the book, page number 31. Learn by heart. This word meaning is enough for you. And this fill in the blanks I am holding and reading out. This filling the blanks. I hope you can see. You can see. What is first? The king was very proud and arrogant. Second, the old man meditated in gratitude for what God has given. Gratitude. Number 3, the pride of the king disappeared. Number 4, the old man said that he was a messenger of God. Number 5, the king became a much calm and humble. So I am holding this page number 31. From this chapter, only read the chapter, word meaning and fill in the blanks. I hope you all have understood. Only left one chapter for reading and fill in the blanks, that is chapter 6. And other 2 chapters I will start later after doing the revision work. Thank you so much, children. Bye bye.